This is CompTIA Lab, and we are going to configure BitLocker with a TPM. So here you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. Now the employees in Office 1 is working on a very sensitive project. Management is concerned that if the hard drive in computer were stolen, sensitive information could be compromised. Okay, so you have to encrypt the entire system volume. The Office 1 computer has a built-in TPM on the motherboard, so in this lab, task is to configure the BitLocker drive encryption as follows. Alright, so we have all of the tasks here. We are going to use new encryption mode, run a BitLocker system, check. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to go into the Office 1 computer. So we'll go here and go into Office 1. We are now into Office 1. We want to go ahead and restart the computer. Now, while the computer is starting up, you want to click delete on your physical keyboard there with you. It's going to take you into the BIOS area. Now, while inside the BIOS, we want to locate security. So on the left pane, you're going to locate security here. We'll go ahead and click on TPM security. We're going to check this and activate. We'll go ahead and apply, and let's go ahead and exit in the absence of any other thing. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just exit. There's nothing else to do. So when you exit, we allow the computer to boot into Windows. This time around, we do not need to press any button. Alright, so the computer has booted into the Windows. So go ahead and open File Explorer, and we go to this PC. Under this PC, we want to go to System C Drive and BitLocker. So we check this and go ahead and save to a file. Okay, so here we want to go ahead and select COP server, COP files, okay, so go ahead and select this and go ahead and save. Next, go ahead and encrypt, check this, and we'll go ahead and click next. And this, yes, we'll click next. We'll check this. We'll go ahead and click continue. Go ahead and restart now. So wait for this to restart, and we'll go ahead and close this, and that is done. So let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we do, and everything is correct. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.